Hey my friends, Merry Christmas and all that, how are yous? Do you want to have a quick look at how the Meng Panther's coming along? So I've got most of the Zimmerit on. See, I used a lot of super glue and stuff. We've got those down and it looks all damaged and stuff, and you can see I've got a little part of the side part that'll be going on. So a lot of it will get hidden, and you can see down there I'm starting to damage it all up, which I'll do more of. And there's natural stuff that sort of starts to puff out and stuff, and I'm going to attack all that, make it all damaged and cool stuff. I really like it. If you want a perfect, factory perfect thing, you probably want to go for the molded on stuff that's already molded on by the manufacturer, but this is great for what I'm doing, and what I want to do is a really damaged look. And you see yourself, and it's good to do it yourself because I'm merging it into the actual bodywork. Bloody fantastic. I love it. And then it's not the greatest, it's not fun. Like a lot of the time you're working away and some of it will just peel up and you're like, whoa, but that's a good chance to get some more super glue onto it. You see this here, I really stuffed that one up. But a good little trick is once you put it on, you just let it dry, and it can naturally come up, and you can get your little, I just get these bamboo, what do you call them? They're skewers or something for cooking, out of the cooking section at the supermarket. And yeah, I just sort of quickly get some underneath it, and then you just squash it back down. And then you can get a file and just damage it. See? Yeah, I've got to do some more work on this and get some of the super glue off because some of it came through. Now I'm putting on a power cable, so I'm just letting some glue there sort of set. I don't know where I'm going to attach it to. Probably this middle thing or something. Just sort of run it around there, into there, something like that. So it's nearly ready to go, nearly ready to put onto the body. I've just got a few more things to do. Got to attach the side skirts and stuff. It's really solid, but it's only a internal, it's not a internal one at all. But they create a very solid model. It's all exterior, this one, Meng one. For exterior purposes only. But yeah, it feels solid. It feels very solid. It's got a lot of weight to it. And I noticed that when I built the Meng Panther, they make very chunky models. So I got the wheels going on, so I've taken them off, and I put the ice cleats on. See? See in the middle there? Ice cleats or ice pick thingies, I don't know. They go on. They're pretty good. And so I just sort of gave that a coat of the German yellow and gave it a bit of winter wash sort of stuff. And now I've painted on some of the protective stuff, so you can paint the rest of it without it, and then you just pull it off. Liquid mask it's called. I'm living by it at the moment. I'm gonna have to get another bottle of it. I use this one and it's amazing stuff. I'm using it all the time now. I use it for everything. It's really good, and especially for figures. Like I don't know how I lived without this before with figures, because if you want to do multiple colours, you want to spray them on, you're going to need that stuff, or you're going to need to spend a lot of time with blue tack or bloody masking tape. See, I'm starting to work on the faces a little bit, so I'm trying to get a little bit of colour into his cheeks. I'm doing that with all of them, but not enough, I don't reckon, just yet. It's a slow process, but you get there. So they're all coming along very well. That guy with the glasses and all that kind of stuff, But yeah, so I'm doing the faces a bit. But I should be doing his camo. And I've got another one being melt. But I'm going to go for the winter camo with this guy. Going to try and recreate it. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm starting to work on it. It's very hard to see the dark green. So I'm lucky I highlighted it with a very much lighter grey. Like they say in painting this pattern to use German grey, dark brown and olive green, but if you were to use all those colours they'll just all blend into nothingness. So I've used a basalt grey, a light brown, a medium brown and olive green. So that's just what's going on. Just thought I'd give you a quick hello and show you how the Panther's coming along. I'll keep working on it because I'd like to get the construction finished and have a look. Also got a Dremel. So my brother bought me one for Christmas, which is good. He's a good brother. You got me it. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to be able to do some cool stuff with that. I ordered some... we'll have a look through these if you want as well. But I ordered the Dragon M3, so that's coming soon as well, which will be good. Alright fellas, I'll speak to you again soon. Have a good break.